Welcome to you all. Today's topic is electric potential. Okay, what is the definition of the electric potential? Electric potential at any point is defined as the negative line integral of the electric field from infinity to that point along any path. That means negative line integral of electric field from infinity to that point. So what is the potential? Now, V is equal to negative line integral of E dot dl, infinity to R. R means, suppose a charge is from infinity, moves from infinity to that point. So A to B. Then this point is, last point is, suppose this point to this is R. So infinity to that point. So that is the infinity to R. So E dot dl. But in other words, and the definition is electric field is defined as the amount of work done. In moving a charge. This charge is unit positive charge. In moving a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Clear? So what is the definition? And the definition is electric potential in an electric field is defined as the amount of work done, by the unit positive charge from infinity to that point along any path. This is the definition. Potential in an electric field is defined as the amount of work done. Suppose a charge, test charge, is placed at infinity. This infinity, from infinity to charge move towards that point, like this. Suppose it is a point A. A charge is placed at A. Suppose this charge is Q. This position is infinity. So at infinity, the charge q is placed. Now this charge is moved from this point to this point. That means for infinity to that point, the charge is distributed. Then from this point to this point, some work has to be done. Some work has to be done. Since this amount of work done by this charge, that is called the potential. So electric potential is denoted by the letter V. So V is equal to W by Q. W by Q. So V is equal to W by Q. This is the electric potential. We clear? So V is equal to work done by the charge. So electric potential at any point at which a charge Q is placed, that is the test charge Q. So W by Q is equal to V. Clear? This V, it is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Letter for potential is V. Clear? Now we can find out the units. For the units, before that, we define what is potential difference. What is your potential difference? What is the difference? So potential difference in an electric field is defined as the work done by the charge from one point to another. From one point to another. Suppose this is a point A. This at the point A, a charge is placed, in positive charge. This charge is moves from A to B. A to B. Clear? So potential at A suppose VA, potential at B suppose VB. What is the potential difference? Potential difference is difference of potential. Means potential difference, suppose V is equal to VB minus VA. VB minus VA. Clear? VB, why VB minus VA? Now work done by the charge is from A to B. Final minus initial. So that is equal to work done W A to B by the charge Q. That is the potential difference. Clear? Now units of the electric potential or potential difference. In SI unit, we know V is equal to W by Q. What is the unit of W in SI? That is joule by coulomb. So joule by coulomb is equal to volt. If W is equal to 1 joule, Q is equal to 1 coulomb, then V is equal to 1 volt. So that means 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per 1 coulomb, that is 1 joule coulomb inverse. This is the unit in SI. Then in CGS, in CGS system, first ESU of potential, electrostatic unit of potential, V is equal to W by Q. that is equal to arc by start coulomb. Arc by start coulomb, that is equal to start volt. If W is equal to 1 arc, Q is equal to 1 start coulomb, then V is equal to 1 start volt. This is another unit. Then in EMU of potential, what is the EMU? Electromagnetic unit of potential. That is the V is equal to W by Q, that is arc by absolute coulomb, that is equal to absolute volt. So if W is equal to 1 arc, Q is equal to 1 absolute coulomb, then V is equal to 1 absolute volt. So we know about your units, that is volt, start volt and absolute volt. Now the relations. Now the relations between units. Relation between your volt and start volt. Volt and start volt. We know 1 volt is equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb. 1 joule by 1 coulomb. What is the relation between joule and arc? You know, 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 arc. 1 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 start coulomb. So that is equal to 1 by 300 arc by start coulomb. That is equal to 1 by 300 start volt. So that means 1 volt is equal to 1 by 300 start volt. This is the relation between volt and start volt. Now, relation between volt and absolute volt. Relation between volt and absolute volt. We know 1 volt is equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb. That is equal to 10 to the power 7 arc by 1 by 10 absolute coulomb. 1 by 10 absolute coulomb. So that is equal to 10 to the power 8 arc by absolute coulomb. That is 10 to the power 8 absolute volt. Clear? So that means 1 volt is equal to 10 to the power 8 absolute volt. Clear? Now, relation between start volt and absolute volt. Start volt and absolute volt. know 1 volt is equal to 1 by 300 start volt, and 1 volt is equal to 10 to the power 8 absolute volt. 1 volt is equal to 1 by 300 start volt, and 1 volt is equal to 10 by 8 absolute volt. So these two are equal. So अतः 1 by 300 start volt is equal to 10 to the power 8 absolute volt. This implies 1 start volt is equal to 300 into 10 to the power 8 absolute volt. Clear? So this implies 1 start volt is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 10 absolute volt. Clear? So that means we know 1 volt is equal to 1 by 300 start volt, 1 volt is equal to 10 by 8 absolute volt, 1 start volt is equal to 3 into 10 by 10 absolute volt. Then dimensional formula of the electric potential. Dimensional formula of the electric potential. V is equal to W by Q. W by Q. What is W? W is equal to Fs, force to displacement. Q is equal to IT, current into time. So that means MAS by I and T. So mass, for mass capital M, A acceleration L by T square, S displacement, that is L, I current, that is your ampere A, time for T. So that is equal to M L square by TQ A. So dimension formula V is M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 1. So dimension formula of the electric potential is M1 L2 T minus 3A minus 1. That is, the dimensions are 1, 2, minus 3A minus 1 for mass, length, time, current respectively in case of your electric potential. Clear? Electric potential difference, the relations between their units and dimension formula. That's all. Thank you all.